Hi, I'm Dr Sowndarya. I'm a GP in Wales. I'm going to talk about flu vaccination today, particularly flu vaccination for 2 to 3 years old. Children are more common to catch flu. It's not the same as common cold, it's much worse than that. Younger children can also have complications from flu, such as ear infections, bronchitis, pneumonia. Most children will be offered nasal spray flu vaccination. 2 to 3 years old will get their appointment from the GP surgeries to have this flu vaccination. Please do make sure that you take your children and get them vaccinated. If you haven't heard from GP surgeries yet for any appointment, please do ring them and make an appointment with their nurses. Older children will have their vaccination at school. Nasal spray flu vaccination offers best protection for your children. Not only that, it also helps to reduce the chances of them spreading the flu illness to others, especially to younger babies and vulnerable grandparents. Some people believe that giving flu vaccination gives children flu, but that's not the case. Sometimes they can get side effects such as body aches and pains or runny nose, but that will also settle in day or two. So please don't worry about catching flu with vaccination.